This HOA tried to blame me for damaging their property, and you won't believe what happened. I got a call the other week from this property manager at this HOA, and he asked me how much I would charge to pressure wash their water downspout. I told him my price and that I could be out in a few days to complete the job. Before he hung up the phone, he had mentioned to me that the building is very fragile, so try and be careful with it. As you can see in this video, the water downspouts clearly have paint that's already been chipped. It's just covered in dirt, so it's hard to tell. Once I completed this job, the property manager called me to let me know that I chipped the paint and that I had to fix it. I tried expressing to him that the paint was already chipped before I started to work, and he did not believe me. Thankfully, I record all my pressure washing jobs, so I sent him the video of me pressure washing, and he apologized and told me that he was going to get me more business. What would you guys have done in this situation?